Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are playing Flood Escape again, but this time it's just me and Banana.
And this hot girl.
Yes. Shout out to Hot Girl.
Her username is
Tell her to subscribe.
LOQIXY.
Tell her to subscribe. Yeah.
How special she is.
She's so amazing.
Yeah, she is.
Everyone is amazing, but it's just like she's just epic, you know?
She's just everyone is epic.
Yeah.
Okay,
but she just is
okay, so
epic. No, I died. The epic must survive.
Hey,
oh, sorry.
Look how hot she is. Look how hot that is. And if you're
I'm gonna show you on mine.
If you're hot like that, then you should definitely
No, the hot girl's in medium. And it looks full. Hot girl's in full.
Girl, if you're hot, like Hot Philip and her, you should definitely
subscribe.
Yeah, and
If you are just
also we have a giveaway, and it's an Aussie egg, which they're gonna be playing soonish.
Yeah, they actually
a
released
pet
all
egg and a cracked egg.
all for different places. Winnie, what are you eating?
Check out that video.
It's on
our main channel. Yep.
my dog knows
the Hope Squad Games. It's on the Hope Squad Games. My dog is bad.
I don't know if you guys know this, but we have a bit of an obsession with our little baby dog.
Yes, we do. And he's spoiled.
Just a little spoiled.
Just a little spoiled. Okay, he's really spoiled.
Yeah, but we can't tell you ways he's spoiled. Because that would just, I don't want to make anyone feel bad. So guys, since we're playing Flood Escape, and without the whole team, we don't have anyone, aka Winter, to sacrifice. He's our sacrifice.
Yeah, he is.
Should we sacrifice Hot Girl?
No.
Tell her to subscribe to our channel.
Oh my gosh, guys, do you see this? My screen is shaking.
Tell Hot Girl to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Did you tell Hot Girl to subscribe?
No.
Winnie unplugged it.
That dog.
He's eating his bone at least. At least he's happy.
He's so cute.
Don't forget to subscribe. I don't know how many times we said this. We're just waiting for the elevator, so it's boring.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically we're just going to play Flood Escape.
Yeah, just enjoy ourselves
and make content for you guys. And you get to see us go rage quit.
No.
Did Hot Girl die?
That just saved my life.
Hot Girl died?
No, she didn't join.
Oh yeah, she went to medium without us, Hot Girl. What do you have to say about yourself?
What do you have to say about that? Okay, Hot Girl,
Airhead, you don't need any more buttons.
What?
I don't know why you went up there because you didn't need any more buttons.
Because it was the only way I saw it.
Really? I took away the easier way.
My screen is shaking, okay? I'm not thinking. Like my screen
Sure, blame it on the screen.
Look how much it's shaking.
Maybe I don't want to.
It's shaking so bad.
I know it is.
What is
it? Guys, I'm a bit stuffy. I think we're allergic to something.
Yeah, I've been sneezing more.
I haven't really. I just got stuffy once I got to my grandmother's house. I think I may be allergic to a cleaning product. But who knows? Who knows? I really want to play Flood Escape again with the team. Like and subscribe to tell us how much, if you want us to do more of the team.
Okay, that's enough telling them to subscribe. Because
yeah, that's a bit too much. Yeah, but that's our way of getting them to tell us things. Like, do more of this with the team. Do more of that with the team.
Yeah, I really want to know.
Our squad was actually supposed to film yesterday, but we got lazy. Sorry, guys.
Oops.
I'm gonna go to the other one to start randomly clicking. I actually never had the plug getting here before.
Okay, how many wins do I have? I have 44 wins.
I had 27.
No, let me in. No, it's full.
Is Hot Girl in it?
No. Okay, medium. How
I
long is
refuse.
this? Oh, this is. Oh, I've been recording for 11 minutes.
Barry, it worked. Airhead, it worked. I can't get in, Airhead. Airhead, I can't get in. I can't get in.
I know. I taught you that.
I'm just playing a little prank.
No, don't say that to Hot Girl. Hot Girl might not get it. Then they see you randomly teleporting around walking the scene out.
Did they say?
Yeah, they said hello. How do you get up there? My screen is so shaky. No, you. Oh my god.
Fun fact about me. I'm allergic to some medications. I sort of think I want to end off the video, but we only been recording for 6 minutes.
I've been recording for like 12.
I didn't think I delayed recording that much.
I am actually on 12 minutes or so, but I'm going to record quite a bit because I really like recording.
I sort of want to go ask the team what video we're supposed to be doing now. So guys, I think I'm going to end this one off right now. Thank you for watching. Sorry for this video if it's not cooling now. We just need you to see Hot Girl. Bye!